अथ हैनं यजमान उवाच भगवन्तं वा अहं विविदिषामीति उशस्तिरस्मि चाक्रायणिति होवाच. When the whole rites that were being performed came to a standstill, everything was stopped. Then, because of fear and the other results, they wanted to know. They had become the seekers of the knowledge of the deities. Therefore, they kept quiet. Tushnim asan chakrare, this was told. As it was, they kept quiet and sat silent, in silence. The whole yajna was stopped. So, this was seen by the performer of the yajna, the agent, the doer of the rite, Yajamana. Because he did not come and directly rush inside, brushing everybody, and loudly did not speak at all. He has spoken, he has whispered in their ears slowly. Do you know that? I don't think. The Yajamana, nobody had known what happened there. But he was seen as some person has come and is whispering, and after that everything has stopped. Therefore the king came in front of him. Then, enam yajamana uvacha. Enam yajamana, the performer or the agent, the doer of the sacrifice, he told him, enam uvacha. Enam, that fellow has come in between. He asked him, Bhagavantam vaham vividishani. Vaham is certainly, I am eager to know Vividishani, your identity. May I know who are you? You adorable sir, Bhagavantam. I want to know about you, adorable sir. Who are you? He says, by name I am Ushasti, Ushasti Rasmi, and well known as son of Chakra, Chakrayana, iti hovacha. Is reply given by Ushasti. Atha anantaram. Atha means anantaram, then. Enam ushastim yajamano. Raja uvacha. Enam means ushastim. Who spoke to Ushasti now? Yajamana, the king who was performing the sacrifice. Uvacha told. What did he told? Tell. Bhagavantam vai pujavantam aham vividishani. Bhagavantam, you adorable sir. Why? Certainly. Vividishani, veditum ichhami, I would like to know, I am eager to know who are you. Ityuktaha, as soon as the king said so, Ushasti asmi, Chakrayanaha, my name is Ushasti, I am the son of Chakrayana. When he is telling this, the feeling behind telling this is being told by Bhashikara. Tavapi shrotrapadam agato yadi, iti hovacha. Uktavan. He says, maybe, you might have, your ears have also reached about the fame of mine. You might have heard about my fame. Tavapi shrotrapatham agata yadi. Yadi is still question. Not certainty, there is no certainty in it. Maybe about me, you also have heard. That means reached your ears. Shrotra patham. Shrotra patham is, it has, you have also heard about me. Iti hovacha. In this sense, he was telling. And the king also understood the sense. He also is replying in the same way. Sahovacha Bhagavantam vaham evi sarvair artvijay parisheshisham. Bhagavato va aham avitva anyana vrishi. Sahovacha Sayajamana, that performer of the rite, the king Hovacha told as follows. Bhagavantam vaham ebihi sarvairartvijay pariyasheshisham. For all these priestly duties, I had searched very well all over through my people. Searched for you, Bhagavato Pariyasheshisham. Bhagavantam Pariyasheshisham, we have to take that. Bhagavantam Pariyasheshisham. I had searched you, Venerable Sir, by my people for all the priestly duties. But what happened then? Bhagavato vaham avitva, but surely as I could not find you, therefore, in place of you, whatever you could do for that work only, Bhagavato Anyan Avrishi, in place of you, I have engaged or chosen these other priests who have not got the knowledge of the meditations. Saha Yajamana Vacha, that Yajamana, the performer of the sacrifice, the king, Vacha told, Satyam Evam Aham Bhagvantam Bhogunam Ashrausham. You have to take these words. Ashrausham, I have heard about you, about your good qualities also. That you are a man possessed of many good qualities. Bahugunam, Bhagvantam, that is venerable, adorable. That is what I have heard about you, Ashrausham. As you know that Bhagvantam should be taken the first part only, as I was telling before. Sahavacha Bhagvantam Aham Ashrausham. Make it different, separate sentence. Bhagvantam Aham Ashrausham. That's a separate sentence. Then this is separated. Va Aham Evi Sarvararthaja Parisheshisham. Bhagavata Parisheshisham. For you, I had sent many people and searched all over the country. Bhagavata is for you, you have to take. आपको खोजते हुए मैंने भेजा था. So that there are different sentences here. The Bhagavanta, as according to Shankaracharya, Bhagvantam is for that there is a Kriya Pada, the verb is Ashrausham. Bhagvantam Ashrausham. Yes, I have heard a lot about you. I have heard your fame. I have heard about your good qualities too. Aham Bhagvantam Bahugunam Ashrausham. That's one sentence complete. Then the next sentence, Sarvaishcharitik Karmabhir Artvijya Parishisham Pariyeshanam Kritavan Asmi. Anvishya Bhagavatova. You see, Anvishya Bhagavatova. After having searched for you, as and because Aham Avitva, you were not available, I could not find out you. Alabhena, I could not find you, I could not get you. Therefore, Anyan Iman Avrishi Vridavanasmi. Or the Parishesham, the meaning Bhashaka is Sarvaishcharitik Karmavi Artvijyayi. That means for all the priestly duties that has been by all the priests, I had tried to find you. Pariyeshesham Pariyeshanam Kritavan. I undertook the task of finding you all over the country. But Anvishya Bhagavato, after having searched a lot for you, Aham Avitva, I could not get you, I could not find you. Alabhena. So Avityas is possible, not wrong, because you can use the dhatu, with dhatu and with Avitya. It's possible. Ktva ko lep hua. Navit, iti avit. Naitut prasamas. Ktva ko do lep. Is not. ktva को लेप कर दो, अविद्या बन जाएगा स्त्रीलिंग में. अविद्या भी इसलिए चल सकता है, नो प्रॉब्लम. अलाभेना अन्यान ईमान, आई हैव चोजन दीज other people other than you. That means he is telling this. I know very well that these people don't know everything, every detail of the sacrifice, but still, as you were not available, I had to take these ordinary people. They are well conversant with the karma, but not conversant with the meditation. भगवान स्त्वेव में सर्वैरार्त्विज्येरति तथेति अततर्येते एव समत्य सृष्टा स्तुवदाम यावत्येप्यो धनं दद्या तावन् मम दद्या इति तथेति ह यजमान उवाच. So the king, the performer, the agent is requesting now, Bhagwan stu eva, but, tu means but, can you take up now at least all these priestly duties? You venerable sir, can you take up all the priestly duties at present, even in this situation? Tateti, he said, let it be so, but under two conditions. Because he cannot replace them, he cannot kick them out there. He says, they will only perform with my permission, but having permitted by me, samadhi srishta, maya samadhi srishta, after having been permitted by me, let these people only, etayeva stuvata, let these people only praise the deities and do their work. That's the first condition. And the other condition, what you will have to do, the yajamana, the performer, for him there is a condition now. Yavattu ebhyo dhanam dadyaha, tavan mama dadya iti. It's like as much wealth as you are going to give to these people, that much wealth only you have to give to me also. So both have been conditioned now. Then he is only doing, putting under condition, through him only everything should happen, that means to say. He is doing everything, because he takes dakshana of all. And he is letting others people do, because they have already been chosen. Their dakshana is not being forfeited there now again. They will get their dakshana. They present how much you are going to give them. That amount same you have to give to me also. That's how he's earning the money. As I told before, I'll earn money. He's doing that also. And he's not letting these people, he's not disrespecting those pandits. Those are conversant only in karma. He's ready to give knowledge to them also. This is the speciality. Tathetiha yajamana vacha. The yajamana gives the consent, said, so be it. I am ready for this. After this conversation between the king and Ushasti, the Prastota, after hearing the whole conversation, comes now forward. Now he is happy. That is, we are giving the permission to do. We will be doing. But with his permission we have to do. The Free comes forward to take permission. But he will not take permission only to do the karma. He will first, as told by Bhashikara, he seeks the knowledge of the deity. And once he gets the knowledge, then he will be eligible automatically to do the karma, the right. Adhyapi, it's not there in the mantra. Bhashikara, Adhyapi, even now, and this present situation also. Bhagavanstveva. But can even now, you AWS sir only, may mama, my this sacrifice be led by you only for all the priestly duties. Sarvair artvijay means ritik karmartham. For performing all the priestly duties, even now I request, if it is possible, please take over the whole job. Astu ityuktaha. Ushasti says, okay, maybe so. Tathaiti aha ushastihi. Astityukta, may it be so. When it says, can you take over this whole thing? He says, tathaiti, let this be so. Iti aha ushasti. Who told that? Let it be so. It is told by Ushasti. Kintu, but under two conditions. One condition are for the priests, the other conditions is for the Yajamana, the performer, the king. Atha evantarri. Etayeva tvaya purvam vrata maya samadhrishta. These people only. If that is so, then at present I would like to say very clearly that tvaya purvam vrata, these priests who had been chosen and engaged by you before, they only maya samadhrishta. But having attained my permission, having permitted by me, or under my permission, maya samyak prasannena anugyataha. After having been well satisfied with these people, and having permitted by me, given consent by me, anugyataha, santaha, being so, stuvatam, let these people only praise. Toyatvetat karyam, this for them. Now, what you have to do? You, the performer, the king, will also have to do this. What? Yavatve prastotradibhya sarvebhya dhanam dadyaha. As much as money or wealth, because in those days dakshana was not only money, is it not? They are in cows and other things and clothes, this and that. That's why you take your wealth in general, not exactly money. As much as wealth you are going to give to this Prastota, Udgata and Pratyartha and all these people, Sarvebhya Dhanandadyaha, Prechasi, Tavan Namadadyaha, you will have to give me the same wealth to me also. Ityuktaha, being told so by Ushasti, Tateti Yajamana Vacha, the performer king says, okay, let it be so. I am ready to give the Dakshina. अतः हैनम प्रस्तोतोपसाद प्रस्तोतरिया देवता प्रस्ताव मनवायत्ता ताम चेद विद्वान प्रस्तोष्यसि मूर्धाते उपदिशति माँ भगवान अवोचत कतमा सा देवतेति. अथ देन हा श्योरली सर्टनली एनम टुवर्ड्स दैट शस्ति प्रस्तोता उपसाद प्रस्तोता द फर्स्ट पर्सन अप्रोच्ड एंड ही इज रिपीटिंग द सेंटेंस that was told by, whispered by Ushasti. You had told, Prastotar ya devata prastav manvayata tancha dedvan prastocha murdati upadishati. You had told before, Hey Prastota, oh Prastota, the deity which is associated in this prastava, if without knowing it, without knowing of him you praise, then surely your head will fall. Now please let me know, Ma means mom, Bhagavan Avochat. You respectable sir, please let me know about that. No, you first take this part, this only. Ma Bhagavan Avochat. You had told to me before. You respectable sir had told to me before this statement. Therefore now I want to know Katama Sa Devata. For now I want to know who is that deity who is associated in this prastava. Bhashyam. Atahainam aushastyam vashashrutva. Atha means after, then. After what? Having heard the statement of Ushasti, aushastyam vachashrutva. Prastota upasasada. The prastota Upasasada Ushasti Vinayen Upajaga. He went towards Ushasti with all humility and with humbleness. The folded hands is praying in one way in front of him. By repeating the statement of Ushasti itself. Prastotarya Devata Ityadi. Ma means Mam Bhagavan Apochat Purvam. Isn't it? You had told me this before. Now, therefore, I want to know that Devata, Kathamasa Devata, Ya Prastav Bhaktim Anvayata. I would now like to know who is that deity, which is associated with this division of Sama called as Prastava. Prashtaha, being asked thus, Ushasti is going to reply, Prana iti hovacha, Sarvani heva imani bhutani pranam mevavi samvishanti. Pranavabhyujjihade Saisha Devata Prastav Manavayata Tam Cheta Vidvan Prastosho Murdha Deve Pratishat Tathoktasya Mayeti. Prana iti hovacha. It's the Supreme Brahman itself. The Supreme Brahman itself is associated in this prastava in the form of vital force. Tikka Tippana. There is a Brahma Sutra on this mantra. The Brahma Sutra is 1.1.23. And this Adhikarana is called as Pranadhikaranam. Adhikarana's name itself is Pranadhikaranam. 1.1.23 Brahma Sutra, Pranadhikaranam. There is, in this context, Prana means Supreme Self only you have to take. This has been decided there. Because the later statement is Sarvani Havaimani Bhutani Pranam Evisaminti Pranam Abhijyate. Because all these surely, Havam is surely, all these movable and immovable objects, everything in this world, what they do? They proceed towards and merge into that prana during the time of dissolution, total dissolution. And also, they emerge again, abhyujjihate. They emerge again from that prana only. Ujjihate. Saisha Devata Prastav Manvayata. That deity It is this deity which is associated in the Sama division Prastava. Tancheda Vidyan Prastosyo, having not known, if at all you would have sung, then surely Murdhati Vipati Shat, your head would have fallen down because I would have said so. Tathokta Simeti. When told so by me. If I would have told that let your head fall down, surely your head would have fallen down. Now what is similarity? Why he has taken Prana into Prastava? Why he took Brahman and named that Brahman as Prana and said that is the deity of Prastava? The reason is, in Prana also there is a pra prefix, and in Prastava also pra is the prefix. This is the similarity. That is why Brahman in the form of Prana is the deity of Prastava. Pra sadrishya. Pra is the sadrishyata. Similarity between both. Prashta praniti hovacha. Being asked so, Ushasya Chakrayana replied and said, Prana is the deity which is associated with the Prastava. Yuktam Prastava Prano Devata. It is logical also to say that the deity of this Prastava is Prana. Katham? How is it possible? What is the logic behind it? Says Sarvani, Stavara Jangamani Bhudani Pranameva Abhisamvishanti. Kada? Pralayakale. Natu Swapakale. Therefore, it is not this Prana. If it is this Prana means in Swapakale, all are going to merging into it anyway. All the Indriyas are going. All Jivas are sleeping in Prana only in one way. Prane eki bhavanti, it is told. But here you can't take that because speaking of Pralaya Kala and Srishti Kala. Total dissolution and new creation. Why? You are taking Pralaya Kala? That is the Bhashakara is giving the example. Why? You see the word Abhi Sam Vishanti. There are two prefixes, Abhi and Sam. Abhi means Lakshayitva Pranatmanaiva Samvishanti. Which Stavara Jangamani. All these movable and immovable things in this world, Bhutani, everything. Pranam meva abhisamvishanti means at the time of total dissolution, Pranam abhi. They move towards Lakshayitva. They are moving towards Prana. Why they are moving towards Prana? Lakshayitva. Means what? Having deciding that this Prana, this Brahman is our goal. This is what we have to attain. This is actually our cause from where we are. Therefore, we have to go back into it. Having decided this, to attain the goal, they are moving towards it. All these Stavara Jangamas goal is to attain Brahman itself.
But they don't know.
It doesn't matter. At the time of dissolution, they will get into it. Whether you know or don't know, it doesn't matter. Just like whether you are knowing or not knowing, during the sleep also, you are tada sata swami sampanna bhavati. Yeah. Because at that time, when all the things are going, they were going towards it, means what? Towards it is meaning is towards the goal. Knowingly, unknowingly, everybody's goal is Brahman only. And even every day we are going towards it. And that even the Prakriti, even in Amavasya every time Amavasya is happening. So this thing says Lakshitva Pranatmanaiva. They will become identical with the Prana itself. They will become one with Brahman. That's why Sadeva Idamagra Asid. Sadekameva Dvitiyam. Ekameva. It has become one. It's totally identical with the Brahman. This is a Pranatmana Eva Samvishanti. They merge into it. Not only that, Ujjihate Pranadev udgachanti. They emerge again from that prana itself, the Brahman itself. When? Utpatti kale, at the time of creation. This is the meaning here, ityartaha. Atah saisha devata prastavam anvayata. Therefore, it is this deity which is actually associated with the prastava. Tamchida vidvans, having not known that deity in the form of prana upadhi, being associated with the prastava, prastoshyah prastavanam prastav bhaktim kritavanasi. If at all you had sung the part called as prastava, then yadi, if you had done so, then what would have happened? Murdhat shirah te vyapatishat. Surely your head would have fallen down. Vipatitam abhavishyat. Clearly it would have got separated from your body. Tathoktasa. But when? Just if I sing it will happen? No. If I say so, tathoktasya maya. If I say, may your head fall down, then only it will happen. There is a nimitta there. Maya tatkal. At that time, when you are singing, at that time, not only after singing, it comes and tells no use, no use. At that time, tatkale. At that time, if I say, then murdha, what will I say? Murdhate pradishatiti. If I tell, your head is going to fall down, then surely your head would have fallen down. Atastvaya sadhu kritam. Therefore, what you have done is right. As soon as I said, you kept quiet. What you have done is right. That means you kept quiet, that was right. Maya nishiddha karmano yad uparamam akarsh iti praya. When indirectly I asked you to stop the karma, he said, not directly stop the karma. He put a question and due to that they stopped it. That means he is indirectly objecting them to continue the work. Therefore he says, Maya nishiddha karmano. By me, the karma was asked to stop. And you followed it. Yad uparamam akarshi. You understood me and you kept silent and you stopped the karma. That is the sadhu thing that you have done. That's what you have done right. Ite praya. This is the idea of this whole mantra. Similarly, now the Udgata and Pratiharta both will come. They will also be given the knowledge of the deity. Before going there, we'll take both the mantras together. And the seventh mantra, Andhgiri Tika is telling the similarity. There is pra in prana. Pra then anadhatu is prana. Pra, anadhatu then ach pratyay is prana. Then prastavam is pradhatu. Pra upsarga, stu dhatu, ghai pratyay, prastava. Pra is the sadrisha, the similarity between both. And here udgita is ut. And udgachat, uchchaihi, suryo gacchati. When the sun is up, all praise him. They sing in his praise. So uchchaihi. In the mantra is told uchchaihi. In uchchai what is that? Ut and chin. Uchchai is avyam with ut upsarga, with the ut prefix. And udgita also is ut prefix. That is the similarity. Atahainam udgatopasasada udgataryadev udgita manvayatta tanchada vidvan udasyasi murdhati udishatidi ma bhagavan avochat katamasa devadeti. Atahainam udgatopasasada. Now, after prastata, Enam, towards that Ushasti, proceeded Udgata. He approached him. Upasasada, he approached him. Hey Udgata. And what is said there after approaching them? He is repeating the same statement that was told by Ushasti before. You had said, Hey Udgata, Yadet Udgata Manvayata, that which is associated, that deity which is associated in this Udgita, if without knowing it, you are going to sing, then surely your head will be beheaded. No, your head will fall down. Iti. Ma Bhagavan Achat, you had told this, adorable sir, to me before. Therefore, now I want to know Katamasa Devata, which is that deity which is associated in this Udgita. Adityati hovacha sarvani havaimani bhutani adityam uchchaihi santam gayanti saisha devata udghitam anvayetta tanched aviddhan udgasyo murdhate vipatishat tathoktasya meti. Adityati hovacha. It is the sun, which is the deity, is associated with Udgita. Which type of sun, that has to be understood. Not sun which is the afternoon, and not the sun in the sunset, and not the sun is not seen at all in the night. Which sun? There says, Imani bhutani adityam uchchai santam gayanti. Uchchai santam gayanti udgan. Udgan, therefore Udgita. Similarity is there now. All these bhutan, all the creatures, they start to sing in praise of sun. When early in this morning, the sun is rising up. Uchchai santam. A Kshatri Pratyant is rising up in the early morning. At that time, usually all get up. Through their own karmas, they are doing the praise of God. Sun. Saisha Devata. It is this deity which is associated in Udgita. Udgitam Anvayata. Chan Tam Chedavidvan. Having not known that deity, Udgasyo, if at all you would have sung, then Murdhate Upatishat, your head would have fallen down. Tathoktasya maya, when told so by me. Bhashakara says very simple. Tatha Udgata Papracha. Similarly, the Udgata questioned Katamasa Udgitam Bhaktim Anuvata Anvayata Devata iti. Which is that deity which is that is associated in the Udgita Bhakti, means in the division of the Sama called Udgita. Prishtaha Adityati Uvacha. Being questioned so, Ushasti replied that the deity is Aditya. That which Aditya? He is explaining it further. Sarvani hava imani bhutani aditya uchchihi urdham santam gayanti. Because all the creatures praise the sun when he is rising up. Gayanti is actually kaigai shabde. Shabdenti. Shabdenti says what? Stuvanti. Whatever the child, when he gets up, it cries. By crying only it is praising the sun. You make it wake up, the child, what happens? It starts to cry. It doesn't want to get up, It will cry. That crying itself is praising of sun. Early when all the birds, chichi, the one, that's praising the sun itself. Uchshabd samanya, you see. Prashabd samanya diva. Uchshabd samanyat, prashabd samanya diva, prano, atah, saisha devata ityadi, purvat. Similarly, as before seen, prana is a devata of prastava because of the similarity of the prefix. Similarly, here also, Utsurya. Utsurya can say the sun, rising sun. The rising sun is called Utsurya. Udgachan Surya. In this, the Ut is the prefix, which shows the similarity between Udgita and the sun. Therefore, due to that reason, we have to say the rising sun is the deity of Udgita. Ataha Saisha Devata Purvat. The rest of the mantra's meaning is same as before. Therefore, you have to interpret the meaning of the words and the sentences as before. Atahenam pratyartopasasada pratyartarya devata pratyaharam anvayetta tancheda vidvan pratyarishyasi murdhate upadishyatiti ma bhagavan avochat katamasa devadeti अन्नमिति होवाच सर्वाणि वायुमानि भूतानि अन्नमेव प्रतिहरमाणानि जीवन्ति सैषा देवता प्रतिहारम् अन्वायत्ता ताञ्चद विद्वान् प्रत्यहरिष्य मूर्धाते उपतिष्यत् तथोक्तस्य मयेति. The meditation ends over here. For that's why the repetition comes तथोक्तस्य मयेति twice. अतः प्रतिहर्ता उपससाद. Now after that, after the Prastota and Udgata, now the Pratiharta, the third person, the singer of the Sama, is approaching moving towards Ushasti and approached him and said, repeating the statement, Pratihartar ya Devata, oh Pratiharta, the Devata which is associated with Pratihara, having not known it, if you are going to sing the Pratiharanam, you do with the Pratiharana karma, then surely your head will be falling down. This is what you had told me before, you adorable sir. Now I want to know Katamasa Devata, which is that deity which is associated in this Pratihara. In reply, Ushasti says, Annamiti Hovacha. It is the food itself that is associated. Annam is Anna Devata, Annabhimani Devata. The deity which is having its the ownership over all the types of foods. It's not only of this food what the human being are eating, every food.
But Swamiji here, for those two, upasagas they took. Pra means prana and prastava. Here also pra is...
No pra, it is prati upasarga.
Oh, prati, yeah. But they didn't get for annam.
It is giving. You see, Hava, Sarvani, Hava, Imani, Bhutani, Annameva, Prati, Haramanani. What do the people do about food? All are collecting and collecting. Mam Prati, Mam Prati, Mam Prati Astu. This is what Vishwasti said, Mam Prati Kinchit Astu. And the next Sama is that for this purpose only. Because of the Ushasthis condition, may not anybody again get the similar condition as that of Ushasti. For that, the next person will start. How to get plenty of food. For that, next person will be there. So that Prati is the Sadrishada. Annam Prati Sarve Gachanti. That Prati is Sadrishada. Just directly according to Aditya, there is no Sadrishada. With Gita and Aditya, there is no similarity at all. But Ut Surya, Ut Gachan Surya. Then here also, Pratiharaman Annam. Pratiharaman Annam. So Prati will come then. In that qualifying word you will find. The qualifying word of Aditya is Uchahi. And here the qualifying word of Annam is Pratiharamanam. In that qualifying word, the first prefix is Prati. And Pratihara also is Prati. Annamiti hovaja sarvani hava imani bhutani annameva pratiharamanani jivanti. Because surely all these beings, imani bhutani, annameva, for food itself, jivanti, live by collecting food itself. Pratiharamanani, annameva pratiharamanani jivanti. By collecting food from all the directions. Bhashakara will take sarvata. Sarvata means by all means from all directions. We are going on collecting food. And we are trying at last all means in what? By hook or crook. छल कपट झूठ बेईमानी सब तरीके से कमाना है, अन्न को इकट्ठा करना है, खाना है. जीवंती, this day, it is this devata, this deity, that annabhimana devata. Pratihara manvayata is this deity that is associated with the pratihara part of the sama. Tam cheda vidvan pratihrisha. Having not known this, if you had sung this pratihara part, then surely your head would have fallen down if told so by me. Bhashyam. Evameva atha hainam pratiharta upasasada. Similarly, towards this Vishasti, this Pratiharta also approached and questioned. After repeating the whole sentence, he is asking Kathamasa Devata Pratihara Manvatta, which is that deity which is associated in this part of Sama called as Pratihara. Prishto, so being asked or questioned by the Pratiharta, the reply is given by Vishasti as Annamiti. It is the food. How is it that so? Sarvani havani, because Sarvani hava imani bhutani annam eva atmanam prati sarvada pratiharamanani jivanti. Because all these creatures surely annam eva atmanam prati, for themselves, food only what we are doing, prati means sarvatah, haramanani iti pratiharamanani. From all directions and by all means, we are what we are doing, collecting. Harana means collection, collecting food. Why? Jivanti, for living. We are living itself by collecting food. Saisha Devata, Pratishabda Samanya, you see. This is the Devata which is associated in Pratihara. Why? Because of the similarity of the Prati prefix being used in both these places. Pratiharamanam Annam and Pratihara. Pratiharanam iti Pratihara. In Pratihara is what? Pratiharanam. Pratipsar Hridatu. And Pratiharanam Annam. Pratipsar Hridatu. Same thing is being used in both the places. In both the words. Samana Manyat. Rest of the statement where the mantra's meaning is similar. There is no change in it. Therefore, you have to interpret the word meaning and sentence meaning as before. Tathokta Samiti. Now he is giving the gist of the whole Upasana together. Concluding the Upasana. Prastav Udgit Pratihara Bhakti hi प्राण आदित्य निर्दृष्टिया उपासिता इति समुदायार्थ. The meaning of the whole upasana is this. A person has to meditate on prastava as prana, on udgita as aditya, rising aditya, sun, and on pratyahara as the pratihara annam, collective food. Iti samudayartha. Pranadhyapatti hi karma samriddha phalam. But here there is no mantra stating the fruit, the result of this meditation. No mantra came up. The Bhashyakara says two. Because Deva Bhutva, Devanapyati. After you die, you will get the form of the deity, you will become one and identical with the deity. Therefore, Pranadhyapatti, achievement of identity with the prana or sun or annam, the deity of Anna. Anyone depends upon the intensity of your meditation and your attachment and attraction towards that particular devata. Or karma samriddhirva, whichever in karma and you are in that you are doing the meditation, whichever karma, whatever is the fruit of that karma, that fruit will be enhanced. The enhancing of the fruits of the karma being done, the right being done, is the actual, the other or is a vikalpa, va. Anyone you can take as the result.